Despite a stronger dollar across the board, oil climbed to $82 per barrel. Such a steep price was due not so much to expectations of a monetary policy easing by the European Central Bank, but to a revised outlook for oil demand in China. The recent measures the Chinese government took to support the banking sector have convinced investors that China's demand will grow. After all, the country is the world's largest oil importer. Given a significant drawdown in the U.S. crude oil inventories and the upcoming interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve, oil has every chance of extending gains. Brent crude oil futures continued their bullish run after staying firm above $80 per barrel. Thus, the benchmark is on a track for a weekly gain of 4%, with the oil prices briefly rising above the 82 mark and hitting a new local high. It can be assumed that the market is overbought in the short term. Nevertheless, consolidation above the previous local high indicates the prevailing bullish mood, which is likely to persist in the market. The impact of yesterday's ECB meeting should also be taken into account. As expected, its outcome supported the greenback, which in turn waned on the yellow metal. However, gold prices almost instantly returned to their previous levels. After all, the upcoming rate-cutting cycle, which is expected to start this spring, contributes to capital outflows from the debt market into other safe haven assets, including gold. Thus, the metal has great upside potential and could shortly hit a new record high. The Russian currency followed the global currency market and weakened a bit, with the dollar attempting to consolidate just above 89 rubles per dollar. However, the ruble's reaction was more restrained than that of other currencies, as internal factors are of greater importance to the Russian currency. If the greenback consolidates above the 89 mark, it's likely to form a range between the levels of 89 and 90 rubles per dollar. The market will likely stay flat until the Fed meeting to be held next week. Thus, expectations of imminent interest rate cuts may wane on the US dollar and bring it back to the range of 88 to 89 rubles per dollar. And that's all for now. We continue to follow developments in the financial markets. Subscribe to the channel and follow the news with us, and see you soon.